Hi, I'm Scott Milgram, retired from property management and ownership. I live here in Pompano Beach, Florida, and I'm trying to enjoy my retirement. I was extremely skeptical. I've tried everything. And before I got the Mosquito Crusher, I was inundated with mosquitoes coming from the water, from the bushes, from anywheres and everywheres, eaten up alive. And finally, when I got the Mosquito Crusher, it's gone. When I'm home, which I authorize them even when I'm not home to come out and service my machine monthly, the guys that come out are clean, take care of everything, any needs I have, clean out my basket of thousands of mosquitoes, and attend to anything I need. Environmentally, it's, to me, the safest thing around. Even when I used to be able to get the city to come out and spray once in a zillion years, or the planes flying overhead, dropping the stuff all over the city, I think this is a much better way to go. My neighbors, they use torches, fog machines. You see them coming in and out of the house spraying themselves, while I sit over here in the ease of no mosquitoes at all. I used to spend probably 10% of my time on the patio, and now I'm able to, in the summer and or winter, 99% of my time on my patio. In my closing, I like to say that the Mosquito Crusher has changed my life. Expense has done nothing except stay the same as it always was. Able now to have friends out in the backyard and enjoy it. Inside my summer kitchen, I used to get eaten to death in there, and now I can use it anytime, day or night. And the friendly service that comes from Mosquito Crusher is just beyond belief.